Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to SEO your Squarespace blog posts. This is crucial if you want your content to actually get found on Google and attract the right audience to your site. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by heading to squarespace.com and logging into your account. Make sure you have your credentials ready so you can access your dashboard without any delays. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see all the websites connected to your account. Simply click on the website where you want to optimize the blog post. This takes you into the back end of that specific site where all the editing happens. Now on the left side menu, click on Website. This opens up a submenu with several options. From there, click on Pages. This section is where all your site's pages and blog posts are organized and managed. Next, locate your blog page in the list and click on it. You'll now see all the individual blog posts you've published or drafted. Browse through and select the specific blog post you want to optimize for search engines. Once you've found it, click the three dots beside the blog post title. A small menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, click on Settings. This is where you can adjust everything related to that particular post, including its SEO configuration. On the left side of the settings panel, click on SEO. This is the section dedicated to optimizing how your post appears in search engines like Google. Understanding what goes into this section is essential for getting your content noticed. Before we start filling things in, let's talk about why SEO titles matter. SEO titles help search engines understand your page. The SEO title tells Google what your page is about and helps your page rank for relevant keywords. It signals topic relevance to search engines and appears as the blue clickable headline in search results. A clear keyword-focused title equals better visibility. So this isn't just a formality, it's your first impression on both Google and potential readers. Now let's discuss the importance of the SEO description. SEO descriptions persuade users to click. The SEO description doesn't directly affect ranking, but it definitely affects traffic. It summarizes the value of your content, pre-sells the article, and helps users decide, is this worth my time? Without a description, Google may pull random text from your page, which often looks messy and unhelpful. So taking control of this field is a smart move. With that understanding in place, go ahead and add your SEO title in the first field. Make it clear, specific, and include the main keyword you want to rank for. Then move down to the SEO description field and write a compelling summary that encourages clicks. Keep it concise but informative, ideally between 100 and 160 characters. Once you've filled in both fields and you're happy with how they look, click Save. Your changes are now live, and your blog post is properly optimized for search engines. And that's it. You've successfully set up SEO for your Squarespace blog post, giving it a much better chance of ranking and driving traffic. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.